Nescafe. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I'm very well. I'm going to be doing some Johnny cakes today in a carbon steel skillet from Ben's Backwoods. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got some Marie Callender's Just Add Water cornbread mix. Now at the same time, as you can see here, I'm making a soup, which I'm going to have probably after this video. I think I got too much water in there. I'm pretty sure. I wanted the batter to be kind of thick. Yep, I did. So, it's alright. We'll just have to adjust. We'll just go ahead and run with it as is. Doing a cup of coffee on a warm day, cool day I should say. Of course I got my little olive oil container here. I have another one too, I was just kind of mixing it up today. A little bit of olive oil. Once that pan gets hot, we'll put in the mix. Alright, this thing's got some steam coming off. Try to keep the heat low. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, let's give this guy a flip. Wow, it's stuck like crazy. The flames aren't even that high up. Well, I think I put too much mix in at first, so. And I burnt the bottom. That sucks. Let's see how this guy's doing. Wow. See, it really didn't stick to the bottom of the pan that much. It's just that it was hard to flip. So maybe I needed less in there. Now, I did say I've never done this before, so. Do another round of oil. Maybe a little bit more this time. Try going a little less mix, I think. There we go. Yeah, that didn't turn out too great. Alrighty. Looks to be fully cooked. Well, maybe not that one piece, but so. Well, I mean, it looked like a pile, but it actually tastes pretty good, so. Let's see how the other one in the pan is cooking up. Well, it seems the burner's gone out. Yeah, I think thicker would have been better. But, you know, trial and error, what are you going to do? Alright. Try flipping over this. Thanks, Johnny Cake. Wow. A lot less dark, but seems to be having a hard time. Like, I think less water would have been a good trick. So, but I will say, actually, it doesn't taste too bad. I've been over here kind of munching on it. All right. See if cake number 2 is all completed. Got a little dark at the bottom, but it looks like she's done all the way through, so. Get that out of the way. And there she is. A total mess, but. It doesn't taste bad. It just looks like hell. I guess you couldn't see, so sorry about that. Yeah, it didn't come out that great, but this one's just a little dark. Tastes okay though. Alright, so the Johnny cakes. So lesson learned. So first of all, they were edible. They just didn't look great. In fact, they looked like crap. I mean, let's be honest. They kind of look pretty shitty. But they taste good though. I made a cup of beef and barley soup, which I've been eating with this. So I've been, eating them, cooked all the way through. It tastes fine. It's just, next time I think less water and bring it in 2 bags. One for mixing in, and the other one with dry. So if you get too much water like I did, I can just add a little bit, or bring like a small bowl. I was actually going to stop at a grocery store and just grab one of their soup bowls to stir it in, but decided just to push on. But with having more dry mix, just like Bannock. A few times I actually started bringing a little bag of flour so I could add a little bit if I had too much. I think I would do that next time. Okay, phenomenal though. Could use some butter, but I've been digging it. You know, I mean, they just fell apart. I mean, they got a little too dark in a few places, but you know, there's not very many places I wouldn't be willing to eat. I mean, this spot right here is a little dark, but it's fine. Oh, I think keeping the heat down was definitely a good idea for the pan. Probably will try to make these again. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.